Sawaddee Krub, welcome to my little jolly kitchen. I am Kiet, and today we have a little something to show you. This parcel just came in this morning from my cousin. Let's see what's inside the box. Alright, looks like this is holy basil, fresh chili. Excellent. Last one is fresh lemongrass. What a fantastic cooking ingredients to have. Nothing can beat fresh herbs. I will have to use some of these in my cooking. I did a little market stroll last week. Some herbs have not yet been used, and I've put them all together in this bag. Let's check it out. Here is Hoh-rah-pah or sweet basil, Pak Paew or Pak Phai, which is commonly known as Vietnamese mint here. Last one is fresh lemongrass. What a fantastic cooking ingredients to have. Nothing can beat fresh herbs. Today we are going to make a crispy fish with fresh herbs and mango. I will start preparing by picking herbs first. Lately I have been digging into permaculture and how to grow your own food. Like you are seeing today, some stems from herbs can be propagated. I will save some stems, then replant them later. However, this is nothing new to me in a sense, as I grew up in countryside where things in the wild can be picked naturally and made as food. But when I immigrated to Australia, going hunting in the wilds was not an ideal. I adopted and adapted to make my own little herb pots. Alright, herbs picked and chopped, as they will go into the salad. Cut and sliced chili and red shallot too. Another good thing about this dish is it completely makes use of great seasonal ingredients, which is pretty much almost all of my recipes. To bring out the flavor of the dish, I will use fresh lime juice and the fish sauce. Alright, here is a beautiful fresh mango. I am going to peel and cut into a long strip just like this. The beauty of using mango is that it has a sweet and sour flavor, which works great when combined with other seasonings such as fish sauce and lime juice. Last herb going with the dish is the fresh lemongrass. Yes, you are going to make a thin slice for this one as well. Next part, I will prepare to cook the fish. In a saucepan that could fit the fish, add cooking oil. Turn on the heat to medium to high. I choose the blue mackerel from my local fish market. They have a service that you can get it clean and gutted, so it's quite handy. This fish has a great texture, easy to cook and less bony. I will run it through the water and then use a paper towel to dry off the water. So, we are going to make a crispy skin for the fish. I use a tempura flour with a little pinch of salt. You may add black pepper if you wish. Evenly coat the fish on both sides, then run a knife through, making the mark on the fish to make it cook faster. I think the oil is already heated. Alright, shake off excess flour a bit before we gently put into the hot oil. When coating this way, it will make sure there's no spitting and the fish skin is crispy. Once place the fish in there, wait until the other side golden brown before turning. It could take up to 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size of fish. Now, to make the salad is very simple. This is more like a modern Thai garden salad. Add everything we have previously prepared in a mixing bowl. Squeeze a little bit of fresh lime juice and a dash of the fish sauce. We have some green and now we're gonna add red and yellow from the chili and mango. I think the fish is ready. Remove from the heat and place them in a serving plate. Now it is time to make a good presentation and it is ready to hit the table. Here you are, crispy fish with mango and fresh herbs. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to support this channel, simply click subscribe button and turn on that bell icon. You are watching Jolly Kitchen with Kiet. See you again next time. Bye now.